Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to convert Bitcoin into cash using Cash App. First, open the Cash App on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account and that you already have Bitcoin available in your wallet. Once the app is open, look at the home screen. Tap on the Investing tab or the Money tab at the bottom of the screen. This is where Cash App shows your stocks and cryptocurrency. Next, find and tap on the Bitcoin tile. You will see it labeled as Bitcoin or BTC. When you tap it, a new screen will open showing your Bitcoin balance and recent activity. Now it is time to sell your Bitcoin. On the Bitcoin screen, tap the Sell button. Cash App will then ask you how much Bitcoin you want to sell. You can choose one of the preset amounts, or you can enter a custom amount. You can type the amount in dollars or in Bitcoin, depending on what you prefer. After entering the amount, review the details on the screen. You will see how much cash you will receive after the sale. When you are ready to continue, confirm the transaction. Cash App will ask you to enter your PIN or use Touch ID or Face ID to approve the sale. Once confirmed, the Bitcoin will be sold and the cash will be added to your Cash App balance. Thanks for watching.